this
know,
option.
sir.
Okay. All right, here we go. So now,
Okay.
the first thing that we need to do is read the instructions. It says that in this activity, your team will prepare a Kanban board GitHub project. This time, there is not a template to copy. You should create the Kanban from scratch. Then,
Okay.
yeah, then your job, blah, 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 all these things. Okay, I don't need to read the rest. Now, the first thing that I need to do is I need to go to our repo, which I've invited you to. So if I go there and let's say, did you accept? I don't know if you accepted yet.
So I accepted it.
Let's see.
Maybe you can check.
I'm checking now, collaborators. Password now. Okay. So now, once I'm in here, okay, you have accepted. Okay, good. Now, okay, obviously the first thing that we need to do is make
Anyway, are you recording?
Yes, it's recording right now.
Okay, great.
Okay, so we need to create a branch for development. Develop. Okay, let's just call it development. Then we go to settings and then collaboration. We have to go here and make this the default.
Yeah.
So everything will just merge into there. All right. Now that that is done, the next step is to go to projects. Up here, there's projects there.
Okay.
I already set up the linters and all these things. So when you download, let me just make sure.
For sure I can see it.
Let me just make sure that this ignore is still there. Yeah, it's fine. Ignore is still there. Yeah. Okay, so I set everything up there already. So now the first step is you go to projects, and then in your projects, it says here link a project. Link a project to this repository. You can do that, or you can just create a new one. Oh, there it is. Sorry. I made a mistake now. Let's see. Remove.
Anyway, how have you seen there's the new features, the UI for the GitHub?
I don't like it very much. I was used to the other way things were, man. This is just not. I don't know how to fork anymore. Do you know how to fork now?
Yeah, it is confusing.
Okay. Anyway, let me just you click here and then you click on create new project, ne?
Yeah.
Oh wait, why is this thing not popping up? I just want to link to this project. Okay, let's say tasty. Let me just create a new project. It's fine.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, so now we are looking for the board. Ne? There's this one, but then we are looking for the board. Okay, so we need to give it a title. So we're gonna put tasty, right? Let's say Lucas and Oscar. Okay.
Yes.
We create, and it is for you. Now there's one column missing here. Me, I like special colors, ne? The to do must be purple. Okay.
Yeah.
And progress can stay that color. Done must be green. That means you are done. And then we need a review. So we click there and then we click in review. Okay. Review can be maybe blue. Let's make it blue.
Yeah.
This item is in is being reviewed. Okay. So basically the video that we were given will not help with this one because now we have to create it on our own.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'm just moving it so that it is next to done.
Yeah, for sure. It's in between the progress and the done.
Exactly. Okay, so maybe we can call this, we can also do this and maybe, what can we call it? We can rename it and call it backlog. Okay, this is just what I saw.
Yeah, backlog.
Is it backlog?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. And maybe we can create a new table here and we can call this is where we are going to store by priority. Okay, now basically this area is where what do we consider to be very important and what should be done first before another thing can be done. Okay.
So yeah, you are meaning the priority?
Yeah, like which one is most important? Must I create the form first, or which one is more important? Must I create the login form and then the list of food, or must I create what and what? You understand?
Yeah.
Okay, but anyway, this will be empty for now until we start adding the items here, the things that we need to do.
Yeah.
Okay, and then we have another table. This one is apparently by size. So that will be by size. This is the order. It's just to arrange it in order. I mean, like which one is the biggest in size, like according to the time. You understand? Which one takes more time?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, but anyway, these ones are not really important. You see here, this is just like a query. You understand? So we group
Yeah.
by here. You can come here and you group by what, and you understand. And this one also is just priority wise. Which one is more important?
Okay.
Yeah. So those are
Okay.
just queries that we can focus on later. Now,
Yeah.
the first thing that we need to do is we need to now add our items. Sorry, we now need to add our items. Obviously, after we have grouped them, luckily I've already grouped them in that order. So I've already gotten these items, and I've indicated there's team 1 and team 2. Or let me say not team 1, team member. So we have TM1 is equal to team member 1. Yeah, which is now, let's say, Lucas. And then team 2 is equal to team member 2, which is equal to Oscar.
Okay.
Yeah. So yeah. So now that is the situation. So now you will have this document. So you open that site, you add the items by yourself. I'll show you how to do the first one. The first one, I have to add this because we are the team. We are a team. We have to do this together. Just like we are doing it now.
Yeah.
So I copy this. I copy this, and I just go in here, and then I click on add item under the to do. I paste that item. Then I press enter, and then I right click on this thing, and then I say convert to issue.
Okay.
And the issue is for which application?
Sorry, a little bit. Can you pause the video a little bit? I can pick up your call.
Okay. All right.
So you are going to create it to raise the issues, right? On that first one.
Yes. So this one is now to set up. I added an item, and then I right clicked, and then sorry, I left clicked, and then I converted it to an issue. And then I go in here, and then I edit this description here, and I go back. I go back to the document, and then I just copy this content right here.
Yes.
And I go back, and then I paste it in here, and yeah, that's it. And then okay. First of all, I also want to assign. This is going to be done by you and me, so that will be there, and then we update the comment, and then we are done. You see, now if we start, because that's what we are starting with, we can just do this and drag it there. It's currently in progress.
Yeah, great.
Now, you see now the priority is now showing that this items there already. And the size is also there as well. So now the next one, now I'm going to do this, and then you're going to share your screen, and then you're going to do the next one. Okay? Okay, so this is mine. So this is copy that, and I'm going to add an item. I'm going to paste it in there, and then I'm going to click on these 3 dots, convert it to issue, and then it will ask which repo. It's obviously the first one on the list there. Then you click on it, and then edit, go back. So it's very important that you already create this document in advance. It means before. Before that. And you see that 2 points is obviously, it means 2 hours. And then 0.5 means 30 minutes. Okay. Then I go in here, then I just paste that in there. Obviously now the bullets are missing. I just, to make it look clean, I do that. And this is for team member 1. So I'm gonna put my name there. So I'm not gonna tick on you because this is just for me. And then I'm going to, after I do this, I'm going to request a review from you, and then you'll have to review, and then you understand. Okay, then I update that and close that. And okay, I'm gonna stop here, and then I'm gonna give you the chance to do it, and then we see if you can actually do it. The instruction was clear. All right, I will. Can I stop the video now?
Yeah, for sure, no problem.
Okay, now one thing that you should also be well aware is when you create a project on the repo, you should also, the person you are collaborating with must also have access to this project. They will never have access to the project unless you invite them as the person who created it. So you have to click on the top there, the name, and then you click on manage access, and then click on select here that they can see and make changes to the project. You understand? And then I must now search for the person. So I type in there your name, and then your name will appear there, and then I'll just click on that. And then I will invite you. The moment I invite you, you will not get the notification. You'll just refresh the page, and then you will now see projects available. Because now if you click on projects, you will not find anything there. It will just be empty.
Okay. Wow. That's helpful.
Yeah. No, it's very important that you but I also don't know why yours is not showing. It should be a one here at the top. But anyway,
Yeah, maybe as we continue.
okay. So just want to reiterate something. Uh, the code will be invalid because the user will not have the reviewer will not have access to this Kanban. So you need to actually go into your Kanban and scroll all the way to the bottom and please make it public. Okay, don't forget to make it public. If you don't make it public, then the reviewer will not be able to access it. You understand? So uh, you need to do that, and then obviously you have to now go and create you need to go and create the repo, I mean the issue. And so you go to your repo and then you go to issues and create the issue. Okay, mine is already closed, so there is there that I created, and you have to put in the two names of your teammates, and you also need to also put a link to the Kanban. So this is what the reviewer will see. See there, I got an invalid code review. So when the reviewer says it's invalid, it's because they tried to click on the link and they could not open it. So when they click on this, uh, it was showing a 404 error, which means that it was not public. All right.